We start with the main incision. After this, in these models, we like doing a washout with methyl cellulose to mimic the exact same procedure with the ICL. We load the lens in the cartridge with this simple technique. Pull the ICL with the Zaldivar Pac-Man. And then we do the injection through the main incision. This is our own technique, the one that we have been using in the last 30 years. It's very important to feel the different variabilities whenever you are injecting an ICL. It's very important to understand how the lens is unfolding inside the eye. This is what I call the press maneuver, and the tacking. We'll start doing the proximal in the left, then the proximal right. We use this manipulator, the Zaldivar Craft manipulator, and in the distal meridian, distal positioning, we do exactly the same. We kind of do an inside-out maneuver, and that's it. The ICL is already in place. I'm going to share then how similar it is to what happens in reality. Sometimes you have to press a little bit to avoid the upside down ICL. And the tacking is very natural. As you have seen, the model is great to practice the different maneuvers involved in the procedure, such as injection, unfolding, tacking, and the different maneuvers that might be involved in the procedure, such as the press technique that I have shared with you today. I really believe that having the opportunity to experience the sensations inside a closed chamber like the BIONIKO model is very, very important to be able to deliver first safe and effective experience with this kind of procedure.